Let's read another great mortgage Reddit question. Oh my God, that is so hard to say. This person asks, I wonder if my LO is ghosting me, LO meaning loan officer, because she can't get the loan done, even though I was approved months ago. I've talked to her nearly every single day for the past few months, but the last 2 weeks, barely at all. We were supposed to close on May 23rd, but a few weeks ago, she said now it's pushed out to May 27th. She was supposed to have my disclosures out last week so the appraisal could be ordered. Disclosures still aren't ready, and after not talking to her this week, except for one text, she sent me this. Your loan is considered a high-risk loan, so my company needs to figure out if they can reduce their fees and the rate to make the loan work. Most people don't realize this. In fact, I didn't even know it until I was in lending. There are things called high-cost loans, and if a loan is considered high cost, it cannot close until the fees or the closing costs are adjusted in order to make it work. And this can happen for a few reasons, and it's not always just because the lender charges a lot. Many people don't realize this, but investment properties and second homes have higher fees associated with them than primary residences. I have a few videos explaining that it is mortgage fraud when you buy a second home or an investment property and you say it's a primary residence, but that's another video series. A lot of times with these second homes or investment properties, because the fees are so high, the borrower either needs to put a larger down payment down or they need to get a seller credit to offset the cost of the loan, and then it'll pass the high cost loan test. The other time I see this happen is if somebody has very low credit, their fees tend to be a little bit more. And I know that's counterintuitive, but unfortunately the pricing for a loan is higher if you don't have good credit. So to answer your question, yeah, your loan might be in jeopardy, and I highly recommend getting a second opinion from another lender as fast as possible.